What's going on, guys? I am back with another video. So pretty much in today's video we're going to be playing some Subway Surfers. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So yes, I've just started. I think I've only played once or so. Okay. Yeah, I've only played like once. Oops. Okay. Let's just Instagram. Boombot. Oh well. What's this? Get the gifts. So I'll get the gifts and everything like that. So yeah, it's this. Woo! This. Woo! Okay. This is, as you can see, I've just like started. I've only played like once or so. So yeah, I used to play and I was really good, but then I didn't really play, and so yeah. Also, thank you for the subscribers. Yesterday I got like 5 subscribers. That was pretty good because I'm still really small YouTuber at the moment, if you would even call me a YouTuber, because yeah. But I'm making videos to make you awesome, or I don't know. Nah, the reason why I like making videos is because I like sharing my video, like sharing my tips and stuff, if that makes sense. Yeah. But it would be awesome if you could like the video and yes, subscribe too. That'd be pretty cool too. Okay, jump 20 times, collect 20 coins. Okay, so I'll just do the jump. So it's the school holidays where I am. So yeah, you can expect to have loads of uploads. I will be uploading nearly every day, hopefully. I'm not entirely sure, but I will try. Oh, cool. Oh, I got distracted. I didn't even realize. Leave. Sorry, guys. I just saw this. Awards collect. Awesome. Now I'll go for another run. So hopefully I do better than last time. My last game. This video will be about 15 minutes long or so. Yeah. There are also small token things you can get, and they will be pretty awesome. Whoa. Okay. I'm not sure if you can notice, but these coins are actually moving. I only noticed until like just before that the coins are actually moving. I thought that was pretty cool. Also my mystery box. I haven't seen any of those, whatever they are, but of these things. Oh, these things in the top left corner. Those things. I haven't seen those, so yeah. I need to get those to get some hoverboards. Ash Crash commented on my video when am I going, where's the face cam, and I said that I'll do a, oh yay, I got a high score, and I told Ash Crash that at 50 subscribers I'm going to do a face reveal, and yeah. Whoops. Come on. No. Shoot. Okay. All 3 hoverboards. New high score. Listen, I've already got 8 keys. Oh, well, we started with 5 or something and like got 8, 3. Never mind. Okay. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do much Subway Surfers. I don't know. Wait, let's just see the missions again. Roll 30 times. Okay. This is gonna be fun. Easy. Yay! Finally got one. Awesome, and completed the 30 times. Oh my gosh, we got another award thing. Okay. Awesome. Yeah. So my brother started his own YouTube channel, and I'm helping him record videos and stuff. So yeah, hopefully he gets a few subscribers. His YouTube channel's name is Pro with a Bow. He's uploaded like one video and it was Jetpack Joyride. Oh yes, I remember, it's Mystery Monday today. Boom boom. This is so awesome. I love it. This is my favorite. I wish it could be like an everyday thing. Boom. No. Oh, that really sucks. Oh well. Oh my god, I got a key. That's pretty awesome. New high score too. That's even awesomer. Home. Collect award. Awesome. Characters. I need quite a few with it. Just looking at everyone else's price. I think Lucy's the cheapest. Yeah, Lucy is the cheapest. But we've got Jake, so let's play a few more games. If you like Subway Surfers, remember, leave a subscribe, do all those awesome things. And yeah, just remember, always be awesome like you are. But yeah. Okay, what am I gonna get? 10 multiplier. Awesome. I love Mystery Mondays. Oops. He's concussed. No, he's not. He can still run, so yeah. Awesome. And we can get the sneakers again. What other missions are there? Okay. And double tap for a hoverboard. Make sure you hit that like button because we've got a hoverboard. Woo. Damn, he knows how to use it too. The skills. Boom, boom, boom. Awesome. Oh yes, a new high score too. Boom. I love the hoverboard and the star effects too. It's just really cool. Yeah. When I'm doing this, I try. Oh, never mind. If I told you, it'd just make no sense at all. So hopefully, I beat whoever else's high scores here. My high score is really bad at the moment because, like, oh shoot, I didn't get it because I've only just started playing. Like, before this video, I had only played once, so yeah. Awesome, I broke their high score. Just want to beat everyone's. You guys are, I was gonna say probably, but you guys are definitely better than me. Like, seriously, I've just started and I'm not really good at all. But it's cool how I just started and I'm beating quite a few people already. Got the jetpack, okay. I'm also gonna upload a Jetpack Joyride video like today or something. So yeah, make sure you watch that. Shoot. Yes, a new high score. Okay, pretty good. We need to do something good right now. Boom, another hoverboard. Yes. The star effect is just really, really awesome. So remember, 50 subscribers, I'm going to do a face reveal. So make sure you get the subscribe button and smash the like button too. Now, okay, so it'd be awesome if you could subscribe. You don't need to, but it'd be awesome. It's not that hard either. You just do click or tap depending on what electronic device you're using, and then oh god, that really badly sucks. Okay. Oh, that's just so sad. Okay, but yeah, it'd be awesome if you could subscribe, leave a like, and all those awesome things, because you are awesome. And yes, bing, bouncy boots. That's what I pretty much call them, bouncy boots. They've got an actual name, but I just call them bouncy boots. Come on, die. Okay, smash that like button, and I'm going to get like the jackpot or something. Okay, so smash that like button. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, 1,000 coins. Okay, that's not too bad. Thanks for smashing that like button. It is the end of the video right here. So thank you so much for watching. Remember, stay awesome and be awesome. Peace.